Yes, ma'am. We'll discuss it.
Ma'am, today you said that we'll be mostly discussing about
Yeah,
what
we will
we'll
do
be doing
that.
in the
Yes,
PPT and about the groups for those who haven't got the groups as of now.
very correct. Very correct. We'll do that. Okay. And so I think, okay, we'll wait for some more time so that students join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. My slides are visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the presentation which I would like to show all of you. See, whenever you are making any presentation, first you will write the title slide here and then your name along with your section. Or like, for example, you are presenting in a group, so you will write all the group members' name. After that, you will write topics. Here it is written tips. So points to be covered or topics to be covered. So what are you going to show in the presentation? That is what you will write in the second slide. We are going to do this: outline, slide structure, fonts, color, background, graphs, spelling and grammar, conclusion, and questions. Outline. So first is outline. So make your first or second slide an outline of your presentation. That was what we discussed. Tips to be covered, like the previous slide. Follow the order of your outline for the rest of the presentation. Okay, so that and you will not change the sequence because as you have written, so you will follow the same order. Here, just 1 minute, sorry. Here, outline, slide structure, all these things are given. So as per this, you will, I'll be showing, I'll not change the sequence. Okay. And then follow the order, only place the main points in the outline slide. So you will only place the main points like outlines, slide structure, all this. Then this is a good one. Use 1 to 2 slides per minute of your presentation. Write in point form, not complete sentences. Include 4 to 5 points per slides. Avoid wordiness. Don't write too many words. Use keywords and phrases only. This page contains too many words for a presentation slide. It is not written in point form, making it difficult both for your audience to read and for you to present each point. Although there are exactly the same number of points on this slide as the previous slide, it looks much more complicated. In short, your audience will spend too much time in reading what is there in the paragraph instead of listening to you. That was what might have happened to you also. You were trying to read, you were not trying to listen. Then the next one, this is a good one. Show 1 point at a time. Like for example, it will help audience concentrate on what you are trying to say. It will prevent audience from reading ahead. It will help you keep your presentation focused. Do not use distracting animation. Do not overboard it with your animation. Be consistent with the animation that you use. Use 18-point font. Use different size for the main points and the secondary points. This font is 24, main point is 28, and title font is 36. Use a standard font like Times New Roman. This is, you can write, you can do it as you want, nothing like that. Then if you use a small font, your audience will not be able to read. Capitalize only when necessary. It is difficult to read. Don't use a complicated font. Use a color of the font that sharply contrasts with the background. Blue font with a white background. Use color to reinforce the logic of your structure. Light blue title and dark blue text. Use color to emphasize a point. But only use this occasionally. This one. Using a font color that does not contrast, it is difficult to read. Using a color for decoration and distracting, it is annoying also. Then using a different color for each point is unnecessary. Using different color for secondary points is also unnecessary. Trying to be creative is not can also be bad. Then this one is a good one. Use backgrounds such as this one that are attractive but simple. Use background which are light. Use the same background consistently throughout the presentation. Bad one. Avoid backgrounds that are distracting or difficult to read. Always be consistent with the background that you use. Use graphs rather than just charts and words. Try to use pictorial, graphical representation. Okay, data in graph is easier to comprehend and retain. Trends are easier to visualize. Always title your graphs. This is the bad one. But instead of that, you can do this. See, items sold in the first quarter of 2002, blue ball, red balls, and then January, February, March, month-wise it is mentioned. This is not a good one. Now I will tell you why. See, minor grid lines are unnecessary. These are the minor grid lines, which are completely not necessary. Font is too small. This is the font, too small. There is no title. Okay, no title. Then shading is distracting. This is the shading, which is not necessary also. Now, spelling, you have to be very careful. You may make mistakes. So what you can do is you recheck, proofread your presentation before you present, try to check for spelling mistakes, use of repeated words, grammatical errors. And if English is not your first language, please have someone else to read your presentation. Conclusion, use a very effective and a strong closing. Your audience is likely to remember your first words. Use a conclusion slide to summarize the main point of your presentation. Suggest future avenues of research. Right now, you don't have to do all this. Just give a conclusion. Then end your presentation with a simple question slide. Invite your audience to ask question. Provide a visual aid during question period. Avoid ending a presentation abruptly. Please don't end your presentation abruptly. I'll just show you one presentation which was made by the students last year. See, why I'm showing this presentation, the reason is it is not always necessary to do something, to do a presentation on a topic related to your studies only. Because see, every time you are studying, right? And I don't want that for presentation also you will put study materials. Otherwise, I would have shown one of the presentation which I had presented in and outside India. I would have shown that, but then again, it will be very much, again, it will be academic. I don't want academic. Try to do something which is non-academic. And in that way, you will learn in a much better way. You can put videos, not a problem. The gates of hell. See, I mean, this group has not given the topics to be covered, but this is how they have made. This is just one presentation I'm showing it to you. Sorry. Now we will discuss about our what to say. Groups. Who all are not having any groups? Please let me know. And what else you would want me to discuss? We can discuss. Tell me. How many of you have not formed your groups? How many of you don't have any groups? Tell me. Okay, Priyanshu, Chirag. One. So is that all? 15 plus 2, 17. 17 have don't have any group. 18.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Either you
yes.
can do this, that you can ask the list of members who have formed the groups, and the members whose names are not present on the list, you can form groups from them.
Let's try this first. Let me, since they have already raised the hands, let me try to form their group. And then again, if anyone is left, then we can do that. Because if today some are not present also, so maybe they will tell me, and then maybe we can form the group. So it is 18 students. Okay, 18. So 9 can be in one group. Will that be okay? For example, I'm just giving Subhashmit, Abhinav, Chaitanya, Chirag, Animesh, Khushi, Chinmay, Jahanvi, and Priyansh.
Could you just repeat the name so that I can write in the chat and it will be easier for them?
Please, please. Okay. Subhashmit. Abhinav.
Then
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya,
Chirag.
Chirag,
Animesh.
Animesh,
Khushi.
Khushi,
Chinmay.
Chinmay,
Janhavi and Priyansh.
Janvi, and the last one.
In one.
Ma'am, I wasn't able to raise my hand. I too have
It's
not
okay.
formed a group.
Now also you can. Yeah, now also you can raise. The next group, Anish, you please write down.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'll just post it and then we can actually name it as group, whatever they want to name it as. So, team 1, let's just give in the name.
Yeah, team 1. Yes. Thank you. So it is team 1. Okay. So now next is, should I start, Anish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhant.
Ma'am,
Now please
Siddhant,
put
Guha or
your hands
Siddhant?
down. Put your hands down, those who have already formed their group. Okay.
Ma'am, Siddhant Guha or is it Siddhant Singh?
Let me see. I think it's Siddhant Guha.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now those who are not having, Chirag, please put your hands down. Janhavi, please put your hands down. Okay. Chaitanya, please put your hands down. Okay. So now, yes, you start with Siddhant.
Okay.
Raghav.
Raghav,
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav,
Ankit.
Ankit,
Priyanshu. I think Priyanshu is already there, I guess.
Priyansh is there.
Priyanshu is in team 1 now?
Yes, ma'am. Guys, those who have already got their names down, please lower your hands.
Please lower your hand. Janhavi is not there, I believe.
Priyanshu, okay, Priyanshu, got it.
Priyanshu, please put your hands down.
Priyansh was there, but Priyanshu wasn't there. So I put his name there.
Sorry.
Then I can see Ankit, Aditi, then I can see Sahil as well.
I cannot see Sahil.
He raised his hand. If I'm not
yes,
Sahil, did you raise your hand?
Yeah, it was by mistake.
Mistake. Okay.
Fair enough.
Aditya, write down Aditya.
Ma'am.
Just one. Please don't disturb. Just 1 minute. Okay. Rudransh.
Rudransh.
How many have already
3, 4,
included?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am, Rudransh was the 9th one.
9th. Okay. Okay, 9. Then all of you put your hands down. Those who are not, those who have not formed any group, please raise your hands. You just post it, huh? So you just see your names and please put your hands down. And now again, those who are not in any group, please put your hands up.
Ma'am, just a minute. I presume we have Ankit twice.
Okay.
Do we have 2 Ankits in our class?
Do we have? Okay, let me
I
check.
think no.
No,
Okay, fair enough.
just 1 minute. Someone is calling.
अंकित तेरे को और किसी को आना है तो बोल दो भाई.
मैडम जी क्लास चालू छे हमरे के
हर्षित,
हाँ मैं आ जाता हूँ।
ऐड कर दूं?
हाँ कर दे।
ठीक है चलो बाय.
हो गया तेरा भी टीम सॉर्ट.
Okay, I think now we will see how many. Team 2 is done. So now Swastik Sharma is left. Only Swastik Sharma or anyone else? Okay. Anyone else is left? No. Okay, then we have Ayush. Yes, Ayush has not formed.
Ayush, then we have Ayush Lotus and Shubham.
Rahul
Then Rahul.
Ranjan. Please put your hands up. Please put your hands up so that all of you will form one group. Ayush, please put your hands up. Yes. So, Anish, you please write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush,
Okay.
Swastik,
Ayush, Swastik,
Rahul Ranjan.
Rahul. And Shubham has also raised his hand. Shubham Jena.
Shubham Jena. Okay. And anyone you can see, because my screen is not coming. Everyone, I'm not able to see everyone in the screen.
Apart from that, no, ma'am.
No, na? Okay. So I think there will be still more who might not have formed the group. Just Anish, you just check if anyone is left back. Then you can include them because 4 of them are already there. Otherwise, 4 of you can do a skit, not a problem. Sorry, give the presentation, not a problem. Is that okay?
No, depends upon these 4 people's consensus, not upon me.
Yeah, I understand. So what about you all?
Ayush, Swastik, Rahul and Shubham.
Shubham, can you give the presentation? 4 of you, if no one joins you,
Yes,
it's not
ma'am.
that difficult.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So now I'll give you one more important thing. Means discuss with you, and please. Thank you. Please feel free to answer this because your exams will start from 21st. So is that okay if we start the presentation next Monday onwards?
Ma'am, after mid-sem.
Ma'am, after mid-sem, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After mid-semester. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Okay, then tomorrow what are we going to do? Tell me, please. Or tomorrow we'll take a break. I'm thinking of taking a break because we have already completed the syllabus. Otherwise, also we have report writing. If you want to do report writing, we can do that.
Ma'am, a break seems a great idea, ma'am.
हाँ, तुम लोग को लेकिन बहुत ब्रेक मिला है. मैं सोच रही थी कि एक रिपोर्ट राइटिंग करवा लेते हैं.
Not a problem, ma'am.
Not a problem.
writing.
We'll do the report writing. We'll do, and after that we will have 3 more assignments. One is skit, one is documentation, and the other one is I'm forgetting. Three assignments are there. So 3 assignments after your mid semester will complete. But yes, Siddhant Singh. Yes, you have not formed any group. See, Anish, so many students have come.
Ma'am, we can add them in the 3rd team.
3rd team, yes. Just add them. Siddhant Singh, Sanidhya Saransh.
She's that also.
Huh?
Shubhashi.
She's also.
Okay.
Just add there. Add Subhashish. Shibashish. You add his name also. Done. So whoever will be joining, Anish, just see that they are included in this group. And if it becomes 8 or 9, then again we'll make one more group, right?
There's space for 2 more, so 2 more can join.
2 more can join, yes. Okay. So as I was saying, that next class, I don't want to miss any class because we don't have any problem. And I think if we do the assignment as many as possible, that is also good, right? So we'll do the report writing tomorrow. And yes, one more thing I was thinking, like this one. Yeah, I'll just show you something. Just 1 minute. Actually, I wanted to show you something like the assignment I was telling now, like you have to do the non-verbal communication, the home assignment that I had given. So I just wanted to show that sample also, that then you can get an idea. And if you want me to share all of them, I can share it in the classroom. Just you can just have a look at it. This is not a PPT. This is just a PDF, and this is not language lab also. Sorry, this is the assignment. This has got 10 marks. So I'll just upload all these things. So this is, like I said, that non-verbal communication. So that is what he has made. So first is colors. Just see. And this is the pictures, that is the signs and symbols. Then this is posters. This is body language he has made, ways of communication, just see. I think someone wants to join. Okay. Art and artifacts. Then auditory. So I think you got an idea. This one also you have to do, but I'm planning to do this. Maybe you can start doing if you have time, but maybe after your mid-sem. These all I will do after your mid-semesters. Okay. So now you tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please upload the details of this assignment too? Which one you showed?
Yes, ma'am, on Google Classroom.
Materials?
Google Classroom.
The
details. Details on what we have to. Details. What we have to write. All the things.
No, I'll just give you the question. Like, for example, the question is like, for example, this is your group presentation. So I will write this one. I will not do it now. Once you complete your presentation, you have to upload. Then I will give the question. I will write as assignment number 1, professional communication theory. So assignment number 1 is, what do you mean by non-verbal communication? Explain them in details. Okay, that I have discussed in the class. That is there in my slide also. That non-verbal communication is your this one, visual communication, auditory communication, and body language. So accordingly, you have to work out. And if you that one I will not write. I will only write. What do you mean by non-verbal communication? Explain them in detail. If you want, I can just share the materials with you in the classroom, as you wish.
No, that would be a lot helpful.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll do that. So let me do it now that it will be easy for you. Otherwise,
Ma'am, also, do we need to make such a big PDF of around 20 pages?
No,
It's looking
no.
more like a study guide.
I understand. Yeah, you don't do like that. You just make it between 10 pages only, not more than that.
And when do we need to submit this about the non-verbal communication?
Non-verbal communication. This one you can submit it after your mid semester. Not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just naming it as assignment number 1, PCOM, and this is the material I'm doing. Okay, so now I'll upload the assignment.
easy lage.
Okay, I've done that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Actually, I joined late. Can you add me in subgroup?
Anish, add Amrit in team 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. In presentation, how you have to be present? How you have to present? How you have to present means what? Putting your camera on. And one more thing is that suppose in one group 10 members are there, it is not necessary that all the 10 members should speak. Okay, it may so happen that 5 members will speak and rest 5 members will be present. But then the members have to be present. If the member is not present, then I'm not giving marks to that person. Okay. Okay. Anyone? Any other doubt you have regarding this?
Ma'am, about the non-verbal communication, can you attach the PDF you showed us? Sorry, the PPT.
Materials are just attached now. In materials I did.
No, ma'am, it's not showing.
It's not showing.
It's showing, ma'am. It's
showing, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing.
It's
Okay,
one
ma'am.
PCOM. It is written, and you can just check.
Okay.
Okay, Amrit, please put your hands down. We have already included in a group.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay. Okay, anything else you would like to discuss? Otherwise, we'll wind up the class today.
Ma'am, how long do you expect the speaking part of the presentation to be?
How long? Make a presentation of about 7 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
10
you.
slides. Okay. Done. So now I think anyone else who would like to ask me anything?
no, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, then I'll take the attendance and we close the class for today. Acha, you have done the letter writing na in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, acha, हाँ. Your class is at 12:20 na, so that's why it is not showing. Maybe after so, but then I think 72 students are there. So let me do one thing. Let me give attendance to all. Whenever I'll get this, I'll give your attendance. Not a problem. Okay. So otherwise we can wait for 12 or 12. I think after 12 o'clock only they will do this. Because your class is at 12:20. So no use sharing the screen. Okay. Now you don't have any doubt in the question in the theory portion. You know what is there in the theory portion, right? Entire communication module along with time and along with time and tense, reading and listening. So are we winding up the class now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow, please attend the class. We'll have lab. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Plus
4.41 इक्वल टू 0।
Yes.
m का वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस b प्लस माइनस
Okay.
b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a। ये कैलकुलेटर में सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो? ये कैलकुलेटर लो।
Okay.
ये कैलकुलेटर में सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो?
Okay, sir, I got it.
सर एक क्वेश्चन आप अगर सॉल्व
m
कर
is
दीजिएगा
equals
सर।
to 2.1 ना आएगा सर, वो m
ऐसे
minus 1
ऐसे
का
ऐसे
whole
जो कुछ
square।
आएगा वो कैलकुलेटर में करो।
सर एक क्वेश्चन पे इशू था, आप सॉल्व कर दीजिएगा सर प्लीज।
क्या
क्वेश्चन था d प्लस 6i होल स्क्वायर और उसको हम लोग को करना था फॉर x इंटू e टू द पावर माइनस 6x।
d प्लस 6 होल स्क्वायर y इक्वल टू 0।
नहीं सर, y नहीं था, x e टू द पावर माइनस 6x।
क्या बोल रहे हो?
सर वो 2.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 था सर, उसमें x टू द पावर x e टू द पावर माइनस 6x वो था, y नहीं था वहां पर। सर रुकिए सर, क्वेश्चन
सर उसमें 3 फंक्शन थे, ये बोल रहा है वो। एक ये था
हाँ सर,
और
वो वाला
एक x
क्वेश्चन।
इंटू e टू द पावर माइनस 6x था और एक और था सर।
क्वेश्चन
नहीं,
नंबर
ये क्वेश्चन 4 था सर।
दिया गया है d प्लस 6i होल स्क्वायर ऑफ 6x प्लस साइन 6x एक क्वेश्चन।
यस सर,
दूसरा
और
क्वेश्चन है d प्लस 6i होल स्क्वायर
पर x
x
इंटू,
टू द पावर माइनस 6x।
यस सर ये था।
तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या हुआ? d स्क्वायर प्लस 12d प्लस 36 और 6x प्लस साइन 6x।
सर बेसिकली एक सॉल्यूशन दे दिया है ना हमको।
सोल्यूशन क्या है? ये डिफरेंशिएट करना है। सोल्यूशन क्या है? d स्क्वायर ऑफ 6x प्लस साइन 6x plus 12d of 6x plus sin 6x plus 36 of 6x plus sin 6x. ये तो ऐसे रहेगा 36 इंटू 6x प्लस साइन 6x रहेगा. एक बार डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो तो क्या मिलेगा 6 प्लस 6 cos 6x. दो बार डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा माइनस 36 साइन 6x. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो जो सेकेंड रूल था, सेकेंड रूल में कुछ क्वेश्चन करते हैं. 10y डबल डैश प्लस 50y डैश प्लस 57.6y इक्वल टू cos x. To get YH, इक्वेशन है 10y डबल डैश प्लस 50y डैश प्लस 57.6y इक्वल टू 0. तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन क्या है 10m स्क्वायर प्लस 50m प्लस 57.6 इक्वल टू 0. और m का वैल्यू है माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 57.6 इंटू 57.6 इंटू 10 इंटू 4. अरे कैलकुलेटर काम करूँ
सर रूट के अंदर 196 आएगा.
कितना आएगा
रूट के
57 576 इंटू 4.
सर 576 इंटू 4 होगा तो 2304 आएगा.
कैलकुलेटर काम नहीं कर रहा है, बैटरी खत्म हो गया है सर. 2304
यस सर
बाई 20 माइनस 50 प्लस 196 का रूट ओवर कितना है
14.
दैट इज प्लस माइनस 14 बाई 20. तब 36 माइनस 36 बाई 20